Welcome to your first lesson in Alligator Math. This is actually lesson 4 in your problem set and homework packets. The focus of this lesson is going to be I am learning to understand the unknown factor as the size of the group. That's what you're going to be working on in lesson 4. You may want to check your evidence sheet to make sure that you see and connect with the information on there. Remember, this is division, so right now we're working on that factor, that unknown factor as the size of the group. Let's start with number 1. What it has here, number 1, is 2 groups. We have 2 groups with a certain number inside. The problem reads 14 flowers are divided into 2 equal groups. So we have 14 flowers. We're trying to figure out how many flowers are in each group. So there are blank flowers in each group. Let's count the flowers in each group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We're going to double check on this first one just to make sure that they're not lying and that these are equal groups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So there are 7 flowers in each group. That would look in a division sentence like this. 14 flowers divided into 2 groups equals 7. 7 in each group. Remember that this and this are your factors. The unknown factor in this one was how many in each group. Number 2 says 28 books are divided into 4 equal groups. There are blank books in each group. So 28 is our total. So if we were writing a division sentence, again, it would be 28 divided by 4 equals what? That's what we're trying to find out. How many are in each group? Let's come back here. Let's go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Again, there are 7 in each group. 7 in each group. And problem 3. And remember, you can stop this video, pause it if you need to catch up. But I do want you to work on your problem set doing these problems with me. Okay. Let's first read the problem. 30 apples are divided into blank equal groups. There are blank group apples in each group. Ooh, so this is asking us to find 2 factors. It gives us the total, which is 30, divided by, we don't know. How many groups do we have? Let's see, we have 1 tree, 2, 3 trees, and 3 trees. That's 3 groups or 3 trees. So 30 divided by 3 equals, that's our problem. There are blank apples in each group. So we need to find out how many apples are in each group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There are 10 apples in each group. Alright, let's move on down to number 5. We're going to skip number 4 for right now. We're going to go on down to number 5. Number 5 says there are blank toys in each group. 15 divided by 3 equals blank. So here the group is your row. We have an array and the group is your row because they've set up these lines, which tells us, oh, that's a row they're asking for. So this 3 also represents 3 rows. There are 3 rows, 1, 2, 3. There are 15 total into 3 rows. How many on each row? If I count them 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, there are 5 toys in each group. 15 divided by 3 equals 5. And let's do this last one together real quick. Number 6. We have 3 rows. 1, 2, 3, and there's our 3. Because 3 is a factor here. 9 is our total. There are 9 total cars into 3 groups. How many are on each row? 1, 2, 3. So 9 cars, pardon me, into 3 rows gives me 3 cars on each row. The 2 3s are our factors. And on the back side of your paper, problem number 7. Let's read it. Audrina has 24 colored pencils. She puts them in 4 equal groups. How many colored pencils are in each group? Let's take a look at this. So there's 24 total. That's our total, and it's represented there. There are 4 groups, and that's represented there. We're trying to find out the unknown factor is how many are in each group. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6. That was our unknown factor. 24 divided by 4 is 6. And number 8. Here we go. Get it there. There we go. Number 8 says, Charlie picks 20 apples. He divides them equally between 5 baskets. Draw the apples in each basket. So we have 20 as our total. What are we going to put here? That is a good question. Which factor? What do we know? The number of groups or the number in each group? We know the number of groups, and that number is 5. What we don't know is how many we're going to put in each group. So let's go ahead and start drawing our apples. Let's draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Come back to the first group. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And we're going to draw until we get to 20. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Do we have equal groups? We got to count to make sure. We have 4 apples in that basket. 4, 4, 4, and 4. So how many apples are in the basket? There are 4 apples. So if we take 20 apples and put them into 5 baskets, we end up with 4 in each basket. And now our last problem, number 9. Remember, you're welcome to pause, rewind this video if you need to, if you don't understand what we just did. Make sure, remember, the most important thing is that you are making the understanding of the unknown factor as the number in the group. So let's go ahead and start by reading this problem. Chelsea collects butterfly stickers. The picture shows how she placed them in her book. Write a division sentence to show how she equally grouped her stickers. There are blank butterflies in each row. We don't know that. So we need to find out what the total is. We need to know how many groups. We need to know how many in each group. And it's asking us to make the groups out of rows, right? The word row is going to be our groups. Let's go ahead and count these up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. That's what we're working with. 15 is our total. We're going to divide them into groups, so we're making rows. How many rows do we have? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ooh, 15 divided by 5. 15 butterflies into 5 rows gives us 1, 2, 3 in each row. There are 3 butterflies in each row. That last problem is really going to be important. Remember, you start with this first, then this, then this. Good luck, and come back to this video if you need more support during the homework and exit ticket.